What is meditation? Is it just sitting in silence, closing your eyes, and cutting yourself off from the world? In Zen philosophy, meditation is so much more. It's a way of life. Meditation is more than silence. It's a way of life. In Zen, meditation doesn't end when you rise from the cushion. It's something that can be present in every moment, every step, every breath. It's the practice of being here and now, without judgment, without trying to change the moment. Zen is the art of living fully aware. Bring meditation into every step, every breath. Imagine that every step you take, every breath you draw, is a complete act of presence. When you eat, you focus only on the taste. When you walk, you feel every movement of your feet touching the ground. Meditation isn't an activity, it's the way you perceive life. Focus fully on what you are doing. This is meditation. In Zen, you discover that every moment, whether filled with movement or silence, can be lived fully. It's the art of living with open eyes and an open heart, without expectations, without judgment. Every moment has value when lived with presence. Zen is more than a practice. It's a way of life where every moment becomes meditation. It's living without hurry, without expectations, with a full understanding that every moment matters. Today, try to see what life looks like when you're truly present. Turn every moment into meditation.